a nice day. Welcome to another episode of Primal Explorers. Let's go up skinning. The skinning is by far the most tedious part, but when you eventually get into a rhythm, it's kind of nice. Steep section coming up, and I'm not a skier. Yeah, going for it's the right way to say it. Oh shit! Oh shit! I did really well until I didn't. More fun coming up. Woohoo! Short-lived. It's getting chilly. Putting our jackets on. Destination is right there, and then we can start snowboarding. Got a little more to go, but it's quite the crust now as we're making our way up East Peak. We did it. We're on top of East Peak now. We just gotta get all of our stuff prepared over here, and then we can do our first run down. So let's get it. Your hair's covered in frost. Oh yeah? It's kind of fun. Yeah. Snicker boy. Pretty much ready to go. Okay, I'm all strapped in. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's nice snow. Woohoo! And that's icy. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love snowboarding. First good run of the year. The beauty and evil of this activity of touring is that you're doing a lot of work. Like it took us two and a half hours to get to the spots, and the run is gonna be what, 3 minutes maybe. But that's the fun of it. Like it's the journey, it's getting to the destination, it's getting these views right here, it's seeing that snow coming along the mountains there, and that's what it's about. It's about being way out and enjoying things that are a lot harder to enjoy. There he is! It's icy here, careful. Oh, this is nice snow! What? Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! the helicopter. Wonder what they want. Love this. Woo! Woo! Oh, absolutely incredible. Oh, 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 oh. Thanks, low tree. Sometimes you just almost fall backwards and it's rough. 3 minutes of fun. Now we're down and back to top we go. Okay, we made as far up as we want to go. We're exhausted. We're gonna make our way down this way and head down and way over there and eventually into the parking lot or something. We'll see. Or maybe we get lost in the woods, die, get eaten by a moose. Happens, you know? Yeah. Woo! Some turns. Oop, that's a rock right there. Oh. Last one, Avalanche. 0.25. Woohoo! Huh? How are we gonna get over there? I have no idea. Yeah, that's an avalanche. Yeah. Okay, so as we just saw, I triggered an avalanche as I was going down that slope. There's a few factors for why that avalanche might have been triggered. It is a class 1. Not that should make a difference. They should all be treated the same. That was dangerous. So, well, if that avalanche was quite a steep slope, the camera doesn't do quite justice unless I'm looking up at that first part. But when I turn around, it kind of looks a lot more mellow, and it wasn't. It was quite steep. So when I pushed some snow with the snowboard as I was stopping, I think the weight of it, as we can see, there was a fine bit of a crust that kind of came off, and it kind of picked up as it went down and went quite far down there before settling. So I just wanted to quickly talk about that, and my route finding might have not been the best there. Obviously made out and everything's okay. No one got caught in anything and it stopped real quick, which is all great. That being said, I do need to be careful in those situations to make sure that we are safe. So I just wanted to quickly make that little disclaimer there that, you know, I am aware that that was an avalanche and I'm aware of how serious I should be taking those. Yeah, that's kind of it. Back to the video. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was short-lived. What's up? Oh, I just lost all my momentum. Oh. Well, there's a big dip there too, eh? Yeah, I'm gonna try to avoid them, but we'll see. Whoa! What's up? Just be very careful, there's more dips in here. That was quite the adventure. Now we just gotta pack the stuff up and off we go back to the parking lot. It's a lot of fun though. So let's see if I can get few more lines in while getting to that parking lot. And if I can, that will be absolutely fantastic. Do this. Some nice paths. Should pick up speed here. Oh, that's a dangerous little spike in there. Holy. We finished our tour. We're now at Black Forest Lodge actually, because we went down the cliff outside access. If you can even hear me, it's so loud in here. Now we're grabbing some poutine, eating it, and we're calling it. So thank you for watching, till next time.